Boom, 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 ba ba bum bum, boom, boom, boom. The soundtrack to Mini Metro. I can do it with my mouth. Oh, I don't want to do it with my mouth. It still hurts a little bit. Give it a few seconds. Give it a few seconds. Give it a few seconds. Are we going? Hello? Oh dear. Oh, there it goes. Wow, we're back in Mini Metro. We're gonna try this again. Because, yeah, we're just gonna do it again. Oh, let's check the daily challenges. We're gonna do that before we hit one of the maps. So far, I feel like this is just a slightly more challenging game than the last one because I don't know. I haven't fully figured out the different strategies with this when it comes to getting people to go to certain stops, because there are trains that will just skip certain stations as I've seen. Also, I am putting my tongue under a lot of stress right now with this injury. So I gotta prepare to not talk so much. But anyway, let me hydrate, wet my whistle. I can't whistle, by the way. It's not something I'm able to do. I think I've only actually like whistled the way people usually whistle like once in my life, and then was never able to do it again. And it was literally just one time that I tried and I was like, oh, I did it, but can never do it again. I could whistle breathing in, or kind of make a fake whistling sound blowing out, but not like a proper one. Actually, you know what I envy in people who are able to do this? There are people who can take take fingers into the sides of their mouths and blow and whistle really loudly. Always wished I could do that. Can't do that either. But we don't need to worry about whistling today. We need to worry about challenges. Montreal. Okay. Compete. Oh, I thought that said complete. Pretty soon. One of these guys will want to go here. Is that a tunnel or a bridge? I think that would be a tunnel. Yeah, okay. I have an extra locomotive if I do want that, though. So that's good. Yeah, I've talked about the soundtrack being cool before. There we go. Now, who wants to go triangle? You do. Should be a pretty easy thing to do. This is actually kind of like the T's green line and orange line with the direction that they're going on the map. Or at least now, with the extension to Union Square from Leshmere. And this just being, what? North Station, maybe? I guess. Mm-hmm. That should be intuitive. But intuitive is probably not the way to go with this game. I don't know. Strategy is not about intuition. It's about playing by the rules of the game itself. All right, we've got two circle people wanting to go to this circle here. Hey green, Hey, green. Hey, green. Can you pick up these people? Thank you. Oh, 3 circles. Oh, one of them just showed up. That's why. Yeah, give me the locomotive. And we need tunnels. Let's get that out of the way first. I don't know if a new line will be needed just yet. How many times have I said that? Last time we played, and it ended up being like a curse. And it's like, you need all the things now. And you don't have them. So what are you going to do? You're going to fail. Let's see. You want to go to a triangle, so... Might not have been the right call. Okay. How about this? For now. We might change it. Actually, no, that's the thing. We can't change it. It's not like mini motorways at all. You can't take the train tracks out. Which is not like it is in real life. You absolutely can. Or at least you could cover it with road. I don't know. That's what my city did with the A line. Uh-oh. Okay, triangle, square. This is perfect. This is fine. This is everything. Everything is interconnected so far. And we've got plenty of people wanting to go to triangle and a square. Wanted to go to circle, so you could go there or there. A line or a carriage? Carriage sounds nice. That might have been a mistake. Maybe. I do have locomotives, so... Alright, so 2 triangle, square. Square. A lot of people want to go to square. 3 want to go to square. Wow. For right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stops on the orange line, 4 on the green, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the yellow. So it doesn't make sense to have that. Uh-oh. Who wants to go there? Oh, we've got a circle. Circle boy. Couple circle boys want to go here. This is the mostly circle line. It's okay. That's okay. We're alright with circle boys. Okay, let's see. Plus, oh dear. I like that at least you could drag lines to be like next to each other so that they don't look weird. It's kind of nice. Uh-oh. Okay. I think a second locomotive can go onto here. And a carriage onto green. Might not have been the move to make, but that is the move that I've made. Have as many different lines go to same places, as much of the same places as you can. And then... Whoa! Here we go. Another locomotive. Let's get another line. New carriage might have been nice, but we have 2 trains on 2 of the lines and 1 extra long train on the green line. That was weird. Did you see that illusion? That was so bizarre. You want to go straight to blue? Okay. We'll do that then. Yeah, look at that. Went straight through this station to go right to square. And you want to go, where do you want to go? Oh, there's only, I just noticed there's only 1 square station here. Should this be blue line or green line? What do we think? Blue line, I've made my decision. 2 tunnels. Yeller line will be where that goes. This is going to be a problem. This is the big problem. We've got all 4 lines intersecting right here. Which is great. It means passengers are getting to where they need to go, but it's quite a popular stop. Where were we again? Oh, Montreal, that's right. It makes me wonder, when I was looking at all the different levels that there are in this game, if they're all based on cities that actually have public transit systems. They probably are, but it would be kind of interesting to pick a city that doesn't have that and go, oh, what would happen if we built a train network in this area? It'd be funny. A line or tunnels? Oh dear. We have 2 tunnels. I have no idea. There are so many different places another thing can open up that we will have to have at least 2 tunnels for, maybe. Like, let's say something pops up here. We'll have to cross this, right? If something pops up here, we'll have to put something here. Something pops up here. No, that should be fine. Here, up here on the top. I'm glad it isn't like totally grayed out so you could still see. If a station pops up here, that should be fine to connect that or that. Anything here is fine. Anything over here is also fine. Anything down here is fine. Anything down here will be 1 tunnel. Anything over here, which might be off the map by this point, that'll be another tunnel. Anything over here will have to be 1 tunnel. So if I have 1 that pops up here, 1 that pops up here, and 1 that pops up here, that's 3 tunnels. I have no idea if that kind of thing will happen, but there's 3 potential locations. This is me just trying to justify getting more tunnels. So we're getting more tunnels. Okay, well, at least that one was fine, at least. Why do we still only have 1 square station? That's rough. Oh, you want to go to plus? So how does this work? I forget. Or I don't know if I actually figured it out. If you go onto 1 train... Oh, plus... Actually... Where's the plus going? Wait, I kind of want to see that where this is going. Oh, they did go up. They did transfer. Oh, okay. I don't know why I thought for a moment that they wouldn't transfer, but they do transfer. Smart. That's so smart. That's smart to implement that. Ooh. Man, this is starting to look like a proper subway. Or not subway, I mean, well, it's a subway here because these are tunnels, but it's not necessarily a subway. It could be street level. Elevated, ground level, street level, underground, whatever. It's a train network. Look at that. Where do you want to go? Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The yellow one is the biggest. Hey, I got 500. Hooray. Oh, wow. You got taken care of very quickly. How many lines do I have? 5? No, 4. And I only have 1 loco. Who needs another loco? Blue. Oh no. Lello. Boom. Ooh, that sounded like a TR-808 cowbell. And... No, I didn't want that. Okay, there we go. Who, there we go. How about that? And then, oh, okay. Boom. Now, how was that? That is so colorful. I love this color scheme. I love this color scheme. Only had more subways with actual lines. I keep calling it subways. Just like calling the motorways highways. Oh, you're gonna lose me. No. I was so close to... Oh, I passed 666. Bing, bing, bang, bang. Okay, that is the TR-808 cowbell. I heard that. I heard that correctly. Are we still, like, completely full right there? This is tough. Who has been waiting so long that they can't get to the square? Well, hey, we made a pretty map. We at least did that. We accomplished that. That was fun. Wow. I kind of want to take a screenshot of that. Nice. What's this? What does that mean? This? Oh, this is a screenshot, right? Wait, why can't I restart? Huh. Well, anyway. Me. Oh, number 10? Slightly sad oatmeal? Oh, why are you slightly sad? Were you made horribly? A goose named Zeus. Okay, you've got either a great name or a bit of an overzealous name. I don't know what. I'm 42. What is your excuse? Oh shit, man. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not even 32. I guess I don't have an excuse. I just needed 104 more travelers. I'm sorry. I don't know what to say to that. Simple caveman gamer. All right. Anyway, enough with looking at people's names and criticizing them and judging them. We don't do that. All right. Anyway. All right. Let's just pick a normal map to play. We did London. We did France. And we did your ma's underpin. Never mind. I didn't say that. Ignore that. Ignore what I said. I didn't say anything, actually. Never mind. Just never mind. Okay. Anyway. This map looks very the simplicity of this, just the color, the angles of this, and the overall design. It's pretty funny how it just looks like a graphic design kind of thing for minimalistic art or a cover of something. Almost looks like those minimalistic book covers about like computing stuff from like the 70s maybe, or anything else related to that kind of stuff. Has that look. It's a cool look. It's funny, but it's you know, just made me think. Everything is connected well so far. We didn't get interconnect the last map. We didn't get the chance to have that, which is interesting. Wonder if that'll be on offer here. Maybe not. Oh, you know what? Let's get another line. I just realized we only had 2 starting lines. Whoa. Oh. Soundtrack brought back that pulsing, like from the last game. Tiki, tiki, boom, boom, boom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. If I remember from the screenshot of this map, the next line, if I opt to get another line, would be gray, just the same as this color. Oh, that's gray as this one. Swap sides? No? Not gonna let me swap sides on that one? Oh, come on. No, you actually don't have to do that. Come on. Circle, circle. Dot, dot. It might be dumb, but oh, I don't think it is. I don't think it's dumb anymore. Yep, I don't think it's dumb anymore. Because look at you, look at you, look at you. We have 4 squares in here now. Actually, we don't have a single shape that is just one. Also, oh, we got another locomotive. Let's give us... Ooh. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, look. Gray, I was right. There we go. I swear, if something shows up here, we're using just one tunnel. Unless they show up here and here, which would suck. I told you that shit was gonna happen. Whoa, come on. But where do you want to go? Hey, we got a passenger showing up here. Tell me where you want to go. You want to go to Circle, so you can go there, or you can go up here. Where should we take this end? Up here or down here? Please, if something shows up here, I'm gonna be so screwed. We're gonna go up. We're just gonna make it go up. Because why not? Music's picking up. Are we closing in on the end of the week? What's that all about, Where were we again? Lisbon? At least if anything shows up down here, they're gonna have to wait until the end of the day. And then they're just gonna have to give me the the tunnels. Oh God, no. Well, I think I fucked us. Like you have anything to do with this? This is all me. Gonna destroy another city public transit system. This is not good. Please don't show up down here. Please at least go to Sunday and let me get a tunnel or two, please. I could not handle losing to a mistake of not picking the tunnel from the last. Oh, thank God. Thank God it was only there. I do have an extra locomotive. Where should I put it? On yellow? Yellow seems like the line that has the most demand right now. Actually, that's probably a good thing. And then maybe orange? I don't know. If I were to take this over... Yeah, okay, that counts as a separate tunnel. Why did that have to count as a separate tunnel? Why does it make sense? Okay, that increase in tempo, that must mean the weekend. Because that happened twice and it only happened during the weekend over here. Look at you. Okay, we're almost at 300. Let's get us there at least, please, game. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Why are you doing that to me? They offered me tunnels once, I didn't take it, and that's gonna mess me up. We have another week and no new tunnels. Day two of this week. Like I feel it already. I feel it in my bones. That's what's gonna happen. It's gonna show up over here somewhere, and it's gonna merge me up. But anyway. Okay. Triangle. Circle. Square. Oh dear. Easy done. I would have thought this would have started ramping up about now, but maybe not. Maybe I need even more stations and more trains and stuff. Yeah, this seems pretty fine, pretty average for ride demands so far in this play through. Let's see. Should I? Yeah. Let's loop you around like that. Because why not? Give you the little left hook, right hook. Which one would this be? What perspective are we looking at where this is probably the left hook. If this is the arm of someone, this will be where their shoulder is, elbow, hand. So yeah, that's left. 400? 400 for this? For this map? Is it that hard that they're like, we're gonna tell you 400? Wait. Whoa, what? Oh, I don't know why this didn't register as a diamond shape for me. I'm like, where's the diamond? Oh, thank God, here we go. I will have to grab the interchange. See? Thank you, game, for finally giving it to me. Let's see. Now, where do you want to go? Did I just get one? No, I got 2 tunnels. Okay, cool. Yellow is 2 locomotives, blue is 1. I'm gonna give blue another one. Yes, I think so. I think that is fair, or not fair, but it's strategic. It makes sense. It's efficient. I don't know if it's efficient, but it makes sense. Look, it makes sense to my brain, okay? Now we have the connection down here, which is good. I've got the 3 other land masses taken care of. We're not going to be sidelined by anything. Oh, no way. You want to get to diamond, dude? How about that, huh? What? All right, that's a weird shape, but so what? So be it. Where's gray? I'm out of locomotives, right? Yeah, I can only have a carriage right now. Should I add it to orange? Sure, I'll add it to orange, because I already did. Yellow, let's see, right here. Okay, that's good. And a carriage or an interchange. Why not get an interchange? Why not? Interchange. Yeah. Oh, what was that sound? Oh, was that for this? Oh dear. Orange has 1, blue has 2, yellow has 2, gray has 1, teal has 1. Should I put it on gray? I don't know. I feel like I feel like I should put it on orange anyway. Yeah, I feel like I should put it on orange anyway. Oh dear. Much more interesting shape to this map, anyway. With where all the subways, all the different lines. I keep calling it subways. I don't know why. There are subways now. It's just how it is. It would be, I don't know why I had this thought, but I think it would be kind of interesting to see alternate routes with all of these points. Not something where, you know, you could necessarily, or you would necessarily take all of these lines and like remove them and then rearrange them, but rather to see what, you know, if from these points, what someone else would do with them. Even though I don't think that this game, except for the challenges, have the same map. It's all completely random. Is it random? I don't know. Carriers or tunnels? I've already got the tunnels set up, so that's fine. Oh no. Put it on the wrong one. There we go. What? Oh, that's bull. No. Already? What? Come on. That was too fast. That was too fast. How dare you? Oh well. Oh well. Let's do another one. Oh. Wait. This looks like it's... Is this what the actual Chicago map looks like? Hang on. Is this what Berlin looks like? I'm not familiar with like all of these other maps, but I know that like I've seen Chicago's map a few times. That looks... Oh. Actually, I'm curious to see the community's maps. What is this? Explore, download, and play new maps created by Minimetro's community. Oh, okay. I'll go check that out later. It's kind of cool. Actually, what were some of the other cities? Budapest. 500 Jones, Chicago. Okay, Berlin. Okay, Hong Kong, Barcelona, Osaka, Stockholm, St. Petersburg, Boston, Montreal, San Francisco. Oh, this was the challenge map. San Fran. Is that what the San Fran looks like? Sao Paulo, Seoul, Santiago, DC, Tashkent, Singapore, Cairo, Istanbul, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Nanjing, Chongqing, Mumbai, Addis Ababa, Lagos, Auckland. There are so many cities in here. Wait a minute. Back. I didn't want to go all the way back. Whoops. Still getting used to the menu. Oh, I wish I could just like use my scroll wheel and just scroll to the side, but I have to click on on all of these to go all the way back here. There we go. All right, let's take on Tokyo. This is, I don't think this color palette is accidental. I've actually listened to, did I just use up my 2 tunnels? Nope, I have 1 left. But, I've had my, my days of doing, you know, my own thing and listening to playlists of, I think it was called Future Funk, if anyone's familiar with that. It's like electronic funk remixes of different tunes, but I think it's like mostly Japanese stuff. Because there was also like city pop playlists and stuff like that, and plenty of these videos on YouTube had stills or screens or like GIFs from different artwork or different, I guess, anime shows. And a number of them, I'm talking a lot of them, had this color palette. I think it's like a late 80s, early 90s thing. This very sort of pastel look. Why am I getting deja vu? Did I talk about this before? I probably talked about the pastel color and why things that have this look are called pastel. That's what it was. I did talk about it before. But okay. Yeah. But yeah, that's it. I don't think these colors are accidental for this map. I feel it was inspired by a number of things. Add an extremely fast locomotive to a long line. I imagine this would also have to run express for stations that are close to each other, so I don't know. Maybe. We don't have a carriage, so let's get that. We already have a Shinkansen, so let's just get a carriage. Look, I made a W for wins. Oh, you ramped up? What? How many people just suddenly decided to show up there? Why did you all just suddenly decide to show up here? Let's see. Oh dear. Oh dear. Short line. Very short. Thing is, I can't connect to here if I'm going to use this tunnel. I have to go here to okay. Yeah, square, just make the change. Just make the interchange and go that way till I can get some more tunnels. Oh, this pulsing is getting really fast. Why are we so tense? Oh, it slowed down. It slowed down like a lot. No, in actuality, it didn't slow down. It's at a different rhythmic breakup. Instead of 30-second notes, it's down to eighth notes. Or quarter notes, unless this is like the beat. 1, 2, 3. Maybe. I don't know. And a line or an interchange. Just to diversify and to give our passengers another option so that they're not stuck on the crowded pink train here. Looks like cotton candy. But it's not making me crave cotton candy. If any of you... God, voice crack. Ugh. If any of you ever had a food where you're like, I like this, but I can't imagine craving it, and then you see it, or you hear about it, or you think of it, and you're like, yeah, that's nice, but I can't crave it. Even if you really want it, you don't ever crave it. Is there a food like that for any of you? See, I wish I could do cool things, like add another line to connect all these other spots, but I can't because I'm out of tunnels. Brrr. I'm so out of tunnels, it's not funny. Why does the square have to be right here too? Like, literally, why? Alright, let's see how fast this Shinkansen is. Should have added it to the pink. What is wrong with me? Why did I do that? Oh no. Oh, can I move it? I feel like I can move it, actually. Oh dear. Oh, come on. Yay! Carriage or an interchange. But I didn't get another set of tunnels. Interesting. So, I can't use this purple one to do anything else. Boom. Wait. Oh, I thought of putting it here, but I put it there. That's what happened. I literally forgot what I did with that carriage. I'm like, where did I put it? Where did you go? What happened to you? And I didn't know. Sorry, I heard something over there. Oh, you didn't. You didn't. No, I don't have any more tunnels. Why would you do that? Oh, no. I can't. This is it. I think this is it. It's over for me. I can't do it. Nope. Nope. You're stranded. Sorry, cannot service you. It's only Saturday. It's literally only Saturday. Well, this is it. Say goodbye. Ooh, that pulse is getting really intense. Actually, I think that is changing tempo. You're joking. What good is a line gonna do me? Well, might as well end it here. You may as well end it here. Tokyo, you need to give me tunnels. Give me building rights to dig under the ground and under the water. I can't go over there. Your people are gonna have to swim. Hey, Circle Boys, go swim. You're gonna have to swim. You wanna catch the train, you're gonna have to come over here, cut across the grass, maybe Industrial Park, whatever is actually here in real life, and find yourself over here at this station, because I can't go over there. I can't do it. Game didn't give me tunnels. Nothing like that. That's bull, man. I mean, I kind of did it to myself when I made the blue. The blue doesn't need to exist. At least not, you know, over on this side of things. Oh, dear. I'm not gonna make it to the end of Saturday before this closes me down, but if I did and it still doesn't give me a tunnel, fuck this game. I swear. I'm not even gonna connect to you. There's no point. No, that's not true. Of course I'm gonna connect to you. Nope. Okay, then maybe not. Okay. And we are about to lose. Watch it, and it's still not gonna give me a tunnel. Oh, okay. Heard me complaining, huh? Oh no, it gave me another one, actually. Cool. Sorry about that. What am I doing? Oh, I'm doing this up here. Okay. Okay. Wow. Had to talk with someone real quick before anything happened. What do I have? Okay. We got a lot of pluses. A lot of plus deficits. Oh, Jesus. Okay. We're almost to the end of the other week, which is good, which is good, which is good. Oh no, here we go. Do I have an interchange? No, I don't. Fuck, I'm gonna lose. Oh, saved? Really? Okay. Interesting. Week 7, locomotive, 2 tunnels, and an interchange. It's time to rake out the pause. Okay. Hopefully this does something good. Oh no, blue right here. Where's the other blue? Down here? My god. Oh, good lord. This is gonna be so bad. Oh, this one's gonna get us. This one's gonna get us. Shit. No, I have nothing. Not bad though. I did better than I thought I was going to. Oh well. Bing. Oh well. All right. Well, anyway. Let's see what we've got over here. Oh, there were challenges in here, and I think... Okay, so... Yeah, the requirements for the challenges are different than from the other game. I actually am going to call it here. I know it's much shorter, but I do have some other things that I want to do and I have to get to. And also, even though I have been speaking a bit more than the last time, mouth is still a bit injured, and so I'm trying to, you know, take it a little easy with that. I do have to see how I feel in the next couple days, because I wanted to do more of this like throughout the week, but things happened that affect my ability to speak well or properly while doing this because of the pain, and I want the pain to go away, but the pain won't go away until everything is healed, which is a bummer. But anyway, that is where I am gonna leave you for this Thursday. Next game, next time, I don't know if I'm gonna continue this game or jump on something else, because there are some games, I'm sure I've said this before, there are definitely some games that I really want to play sooner rather than later, and hopefully I could get that set up and working by Saturday. But who knows? I don't know just yet. But anyway, ow. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna get going, and see you all later, sometime Saturday. My usual time Saturday, I guess. Have a good night, y'all. Have a good night, you guys. Thanks for popping in if you popped in. If you enjoyed it, excellent. If you didn't, oh, sorry. But anyway, yeah, have a good rest of your Thursday, folks. Laters.